special GL indicator. What do you mean by special GL indicator? Special GL indicator stand for, well, from the background or the financial aspect is concerned, it is a kind of provisioning of current asset, and or simply if we have any transaction which is related to vendor and customer but we don't want to impact our sundry creditor, in such cases we can use special GL indicator. A very common example can be, well, the most common example can be advances. What exactly the meaning of such? Advances mean I have a vendor, okay, vendor is going to supply some product to me. Before that itself the organization asks a few advance from me, okay. In that case, what exactly the option? So I made that payment, but the same amount I should not show in the sundry creditor, right? So this is not a liability, this is a kind of current asset, so that should be in the asset section, not in the liability section. So advance to vendor is asset, whereas vendor is liability. So that means I am showing one transaction in my subledger which is vendor, but not in the main ledger which is sundry creditor. All the sundry creditor, all the vendors are linked to a GL account called sundry creditor, right? So I want to show that in subledger, otherwise how I am going to track it, like in which vendor the transaction posted and which vendor they have given the advances. So I want to see that in FBL 1N and 5N, but I don't want to impact my main GL account which is your sundry creditor or sundry debtor. So in such cases I need to create a special GL indicator which will automatically shift my transaction from the regular sundry creditor to any desirable recon account where I want to move my transaction. So advance is one example, but there can be many that you can create in your system. To create a special GL indicator, transaction code is FBKP. You can go directly to the FBKP and from there you can create your special GL indicator. To have the special GL indicator, you must create a new GL account where you want to shift your transaction. Means more precisely, if you just go to a vendor transaction, any vendor transaction, you may see this transaction is linked to a GL account. This GL account 124 times 0. If you check your transaction there, you will find that it is nothing but a sundry creditor 124 times 0, isn't it? So this is sundry creditor. Now I want to post my transaction to this vendor, but I don't want to update this sundry creditor because this is an advance. So advance supposed to be in a separate GL account, but I want to reflect the same in my vendor as well. In that case I can use my sundry creditor, my special GL indicator for that, to cater that requirement. So first of all, the objective, to satisfy this objective, what you need to do, you need to create new GL account. Second one, create third one, fourth one, display report. So to create new GL account, as you are already aware of, the transaction code is FS00, isn't it? This you can create from FBKP. This is a configuration. Also you can do it from SPRO. Post transaction, as you know, you can post financial transaction, and report mainly you can check it from FBL1N or FBL5N for customer. Okay, so let us create one special GL indicator. So that is a kind of, you can say, advance to vendor we can create. How to create? First of all, you have to create a GL account. So you can create a GL account. You know the transaction, so you can go FS00 and create a GL account. So as per our system breakup, means the GL breakup, we can see that all asset we have created with one series. So I am putting it into the two series. So 2, 3 I am putting it. So 1 series is for liability, 2 series for asset, 3 series for income, 4 series for expenses, and 5 series for cash and bank. That is what our breakup, right? So what I can do, I can take some asset range, 2 series, and there I can create a GL account called advance to vendor. So this is supposed to be asset. The balance sheet account, you can write it down. Next, control data, you can put it like line item display, sort key, the way you create other. Recon account you have to put as vendor. So this is asset, but still you have to put this as vendor, otherwise it will not work. And here field status group, if you have created your own then fine, otherwise you can put similar as G067. Okay, like this also a recon account. Anything apart from that, like, you know, recon account ready for input and all, for the time being is not required, so you can save it. I'll show you later on what exactly the meaning of this. So you save it, so you have finally created a GL account where you can post special GL transaction. You've given the name as advance to vendor. Next activity is to create a special GL indicator. You have to go to a transaction called FBKP. So here you can go. I have too many pages open, so I'm just going to convert the another one for FBKP. Here you can see a lot of other students, they have created many special GL indicator and few of them are standard provided as well. So we can create our new special GL indicator. We will create a actual special GL indicator. Will not create now the noted item and all. Okay, so this is the screen. You can go directly to special GL. Here you can see these are the D stand for customer and K stand for vendor. So you can see like they have started from 3. A, B, C is missing 3. So we can create 2. Click on new entry and create this account type called K, special GL2, short name is advance to vendor and advance. Here you can go, you need to choose whether it is a down payment or down payment request related or bill of exchange or anything other than these two. We can create this as noted item, or whether it will reflect, or it will, you know, impact your credit limit or not, whether it will update the commitment warning, it will give it to you or not. So for the timing we are not putting anything there. We'll create as a down payment and down payment request. Here you can put a description. Okay, you can put whether the down payment, so this one can be down payment, this one can be reversal of down payment, or you can simply put it as debit credit if you have any confusion. Whatever it is written there, so you can put that. Now click on this account. it will ask you to save, so you can say save. Now it is asking your chart of account, put your chart of account, and it is asking your original Recon account. So first you need to put your original Recon account called Sunday creditor, and to supplement that you are using special GL indicator 2. So in the second row, in the second column, you need to put the special GL account, so that would become your new GL account which we have created called advance. So this is advance to vendor. Now anytime whenever you are going to use this special GL indicator with the posting key which you have given the name as debit and credit, then system will automatically shift the transaction from 124 times 0 to 234 times 0. Let's see whether it is working or not and how it is giving you the impact. So you already got the understanding, like if I post with the regular transaction, then it would be posted to this GL account. At that point of time we don't have any control, even we will not be able to change it, right? Now let us post one more transaction with special GL. So when we are going to post transaction with special GL, so the posting transaction would be F-02, date and everything let it be same, similar kind of. So now here what I can do, I can put a posting key. At the time of special GL indicator creation, you can see that there are two posting keys. So if you want to use this special GL, then you have to use these two posting keys only. You will not be able to take anything other than that. So for advance to vendor means we are debiting vendor and crediting bank. So I would choose 29. Now you choose your vendor, any appropriate vendor that you want to choose. So anyone, maybe we can check with our reliable one only. Now moment you press enter, it will not allow you to go inside. Why? Now it is saying for 29 special GL indicator is mandatory. So here you need to put indicator what you have just now created called 2 or whatever is applicable. For us it is 2 because we have created only 2. Now if you press enter, the moment you press enter, you can see that the GL account got automatically changed to 234 times 0. Let us see what exactly this GL means. As we can see, now the system has automatically changed the GL account from this default Sunday creditor to advance to vendor. Okay, 234 times 0. You can see 234 times 0. So this is how you can change the GL account of one vendor or customer posting, and rest part you can put, let's say 5,000. You can put some kind of narration. Then you may go and put your bank GL account. You can have bank incoming on bank outgoing, so from there you can post the transaction. For the timing you can take any bank GL account and you can post your transaction. Okay, so this is how you can post you can simulate or you can directly post, either way, because nothing new is going to come out of it. So we have posted a new document. Now we can go to our ledger. So ledger means FBL 1N or FBL 5N. So I think the page has already opened. Okay, so this is FBL 1N only. So we can go back. Now what exactly we need to do? Till now we have viewed the normal item. Now you need to click the special GL. You click the special GL, now execute this. as you can see that it is showing a transaction with special GL 2. So that means it is easier for you to identify that this is not a regular transaction, this is not a regular invoice posting or regular payment, this is a special GL. I only executed special GL. If you select normal and special GL, then you may find lot of document, but you can easily identify this document. Why? Because this is a special GL indicator which is there, and most important, for all this existing document you have the Sundry creditor updated, but for the last document which is 10000023, here you can see that the vendor, in case of GL, it has not updated Sundry creditor, it has updated the new GL account called advance to vendor. We can go to the layout, and from there itself we can change the layout, and we can also check whether which GL account got. As I have already shown you, let us also check one more time. No, then we need to find out. Should be G stroke something like that. You can take this GL account, maybe you can put somewhere there and just check. Look, for all of them it has a GL account called 1240, but only for special GL transaction it has the GL account which is showing as 23. That means it has posted to some another GL account. That means if I want to post a transaction of any vendor and customer related transaction, means to the subledger account, but not to the, but I want to keep my main ledger intact, so in that case I must use a special GL indicator. So this is one example what I have given for advances. Similarly you can do it for any other kind of subledger posting, like it can be bill of exchange, it can be letter of credit, security deposit, it can be bank guarantee, and so on. There are too many varieties of the special GL. One is noted item and another one is your bill of exchange, so that will be discussed later on. So this is what we call it as the special GL transaction.